Hello and welcome to Shalom Inspires YouTube channel. I know a lot has been going on with the world and with myself, and I've been off here, I apologize, but trust me, a lot has been cooking for you because I have not just been preparing for a better comeback, I have also been sitting in the presence of the Lord, downloading messages for you because I know that you need some help in your spiritual life. And I'm glad that I'm chosen. I have the privilege to help you in this journey because as a child of God, you cannot do it on your own. And God has placed people in our steps, in our paths from time to time to help us, just like guardian angels, just like messengers, just like people to support you. So I'm happy to be part of those that will be doing this for you. What I want you to do is keep tabs with this space. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you get to know when all our videos are posted, because we'll be posting every week and you don't want to miss a single video. God bless you and see you soon.